nimetumiwa clip kwamba kuna watu wamesema sijui niliongea nini, but watu on mission can media council whatever, but as far as I know I'm not under media council, I'm under CCK. We report to CCK, and I received the letter from CCK giving me warning. So if the other media would like to do that, let them go to my address, find my PO box to CCK, then send to my address, then request what you want, then I can send my lawyer to answer you. I'm a preacher, not under anybody to preach what or what. That depends on the message I have. If it is part, maybe it may happen. That's, I can answer that. Now, if you say that I said 1, 2, 3, then go to the dictionary and bring that word. Hiyo nilisema hiyo neno, basi eda kwa dictionary, uilete kwa Kiswahili na kwa Kiingereza inamaanisha nini. Lakini tusisubuane na ma TV. You have your own TV. Sell the condom, sell what you want to sell. Me, I'm a preacher. So if somebody would be there just trying to intimidate me, this time is too late.